Good morning everyone. Today we are going to solve exercise 4.2, but उससे पहले we are going to study about the solution of linear equations. Linear equations we have already studied that it can be written in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Okay, this is the general equation of linear equation. ठीक है, जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन वेयर a b c आर द कॉन्स्टेंट्स एंड x and y आर द वेरिएबल्स. Okay, so what is this? This is the general form of linear equation where a b c are the constants and x and y are the variables. Okay, so in today's class we are going to find the solution of linear equation. It means we have to find the value of x and y. Okay, if somebody tell you that you have to find the value or solution of a linear equation, that is 2x plus 3y equals to 4. Okay, अगर किसी ने आपको बोला if your question is 2x plus 3y equals to 4 and you have to find the solution of this equation, so what you have to do? Actually you have to find the value of x and y. Okay, so we can easily find the value of x and y by putting one value constant and other we can find easily. How? Suppose I put x equals to y, x equals to 1. Okay, so if I put x equals to 1 in this equation number 1, we will get 2 plus 3y equals to 4. Further we get 3y equals to 4 minus 2, right? Further we get 3y equals to 2, and the solution of this equation y equals to will be 2 by 3. So when we put the value of equals to 1, we will get y equals to 2 by 3. So these all are the solution of this particular equation. One thing keep in mind that for this type of equation ax plus by plus c equals to 0, we can have multiple solutions. Like if I put x equals to 2, I'll get the value of y differently. If I put x equals to 3, then y value will be also different. I will not get x equals to 4, again y equals to 2 by 3. Why? Because every value of x, the value of y changes. Okay, so now I'm going to solve exercise 4.2 for you. Okay, so our first question is, I'm going to show you the first question, which is which one of the following option is true and why? We have y equals to 3x plus 5 and it has the multiple solutions, multiple options we are having. First one is a unique solution, second is only two solution, and third is infinite many solutions. So as I already told you, for every linear equation which have the general form ax plus by plus c equals to 0 have multiple solutions. Infinite many solutions will be having, but we have to prove this. Okay, so first question is our general equation is y equals to 3x plus 5, right? As I already told you, we can put multiple values for x so that we will get the multiple value for y. If we put x equals to 1, then y will be 3 plus 5, that will be 8, right? If I put x equals to 2, then y will be 6 plus 5, that will be 11, right? If I put x equals to 0, so y will be 5, right? So you can see that if I change the value of x, then value of y is also changes. It means the equation which is represented by y equals to 3x plus 5 have infinite many solutions. Okay, now we are going to solve question. Now we are going to solve question number 2, which is write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. In this question we have 3 equations. First one is 2x plus y equals to 7. Second is pi x plus y equals to 9. And third, I'll tell you later. Okay, so we have to find 4 solutions for each of the equation. ये second का part 1 है and this is part 2. तो हमें at least 4 solutions तो लिखने ही हैं. तो how we can write? As I told you, we can find the value of y by putting the value of x. Let us assume if x equals to 0, then y will be 2x सॉरी 0 प्लस वाई इक्वल्स टू 7, देन वाई का वैल्यू क्या आ गया हमारे पास 7. इफ़ आई पुट x इक्वल्स टू 1, देन वाई विल बी 2 प्लस वाई इक्वल्स टू 7, देन वाई क्या होगा 7 माइनस 2, दैट विल बी 5. इफ़ आई पुट x इक्वल्स टू 2, देन 4 प्लस वाई इक्वल्स टू 7, दैट मीन्स वाई का वैल्यू क्या होगा 3, राइट. इफ़ आई पुट x equals to 3, then 6 plus y in this equation. If I put x equals to 3, then our equation changes to 6 plus y equals to 7, and y का value here we get 1. So when we have x equals to 0, y equals to 7, we have x equals to 1, y equals to 5, we have x equals to 2, here we get y equals to 3, and when we put x equals to 3, we will get y equals to 1. It means the solution of this particular equation are 0, 7, 1, 5, 2, 3 and 3, 1. Okay, so this is the solution of this particular equation. Now the second part of it, if we put x equals to 0, then our y will be 9. Okay, if we put x equals to 1, then our y will be y equals to होगा 9 minus pi. Okay, if we put x equals to 2, then this will be 2 pi plus y equals to 9, and y will be 9 minus 2 pi, right. If we put x equals to 3, then we will have 3 pi plus y equals to 9. This means y will be 9 minus 3 pi. So for every changing value of x, we will get different value of y. So our solution of this particular equation is 0 to 9, 1 to 9 minus pi, and 3 to 9 minus 2 pi, and we have 1 to 9 minus pi. When we put 2, we will get 9 minus 2 pi, and when we put 3, we will get 9 minus 3 pi. So this is the solution of this particular equation. Okay, so I hope now it is clear. Now we have our third question. Third question is, check which of the following are solution of the equation. We have to find the solution of equation x minus 2 pi equals to 4. Okay, and we have multiple values over here. First one is 0, 2. I'm writing here. First one is 0, 2. Second is 2, 0. Third is 4, 0. Fourth is root 2, 4 root 2. And fifth is 1 and 1. Okay, we have to check whether any of the value is the solution of this particular equation. So we take first one, 0, 2. If we put 0 in x, we will get 2 as a solution. Okay, देखते हैं यहाँ पे, अगर हमने x की जगह 0 पुट किया, then we will get minus 2y equals to 4. Okay, and the solution will be 4 upon minus 2, that will be minus 2. Okay, so this is not a solution of this particular equation. Second हम चेक करते हैं, if we put 2, अगर x में, this was the first part. Second part is, if we put x equals to 2, ठीक है, अगर हमने x की जगह 2 पुट करा, then we will have 2y equals to 4. Here we have 2y equals to 4 minus 2, 2y equals to 2, and we have y equals to minus 1. So this is also not a solution. Now we check third part. Okay, if we put 4 as a x, then our solution will be minus 2y equals to 4 minus 4. Then if we put 4 as a solution, then our y will be 0. So this is the solution of this particular equation. Okay, ऐसे ही आप आगे वाली values भी check कर सकते हो. Okay, now we have our last question. Last question है हमारे पास, that is find the value of k. ठीक है, fourth वाला question है हमारे पास, find the value of k if x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. Okay, and equations we have 2x plus 3y equals to k. So what we have to do if we have to find the value of k, directly हमें x and y का value इस particular equation में put करना है, and we will have our solution. Okay, so when we put x equals to 2, we will get this, and when we put y equals to 1, we will get this. So this will be 4 plus 3 equals to k. So it means As you can see here, k will be 7. So 7 is the answer. Okay, that's it. Thank you everyone.